What up, homies and homettes? So this is what we got up to today. So this oil pan, when I originally bought it, I'm sure I've explained it before and I'll explain it again. I need to remember to drill that back out. But anyway, this oil pan was a front sump when I bought it, and it came with the whole oil cooler, relocation plates, adapters, fittings, all that jazz. So about $500. Anyway, when I got to installing this kit, turns out it doesn't need a front sump, needed a rear sump oil pan. So I ended up chopping off the whole thing and just flipping it around. Well, when I did that, one of the issues we came up across was this the oil filter plates here. Well, they would be blocked off and there'd be no way to get to them, so we had to cut out a little notch here for access. And when I looked up this particular company's rear sump pan, it was basically the same thing. They had, I mean, the design is slightly different, but it really shouldn't factor into the effectiveness of this pan whatsoever. But yeah, so they basically had the same thing going on, though. They just notched it out and then ta-da! So with that and the re-welding of the stuff I cut off because I was a retard, the oil pump is back in one piece, and we can go ahead and fill her up with old oil and give her a nice test. Now there are some gouges and nicks and stuff that I'm going to go ahead and fill anyway, because the oil pan looks like it's been beat to shit during a trial fitting, because it was. But these welds came out really nice, especially here and here, and that's because there was quite a bit of buildup. The robot that they used to make their welds initially, I'm pretty dang sure it's a robot, laid some very tall beads, and I'm pretty sure that also has a lot to do with just not having to go over them over and over again and knowing that they're oil proof, you know. But it just leaves you a lot of material to kind of go ahead and fuse weld it for the most part, you know, adding a little dab here and there, but you get this real clean, even bead. Yeah, there we go, focus for me there. Came out pretty nice. Here we go, let me clean that up there. So, I mean, it's all sealed up. Ooh, did I miss a spot? I did, I missed the top. So I'll get that, but anyway, once I get this here, we'll be done with the oil pan. So nice, glad I caught that. Talk to you guys later.